2-year-old Burwinkle. I'm 27 and originally from Dublin, Ireland.
Hello, how are you? The name's Cassandra. I'm 27 years old. I'm actually here with my pup at the moment. So, can you say hello, pup? Hello to the people. So anyway, we're here just hanging out. I actually just got back from a Justin Bieber concert last night and was awesome, as you Americans say. But yeah, so we're just hanging out. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye. Cheers.
Yeah, look, I'm 27. The name's Cassandra, and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, right, y'all. Where both you from? I'm 27, and I'm from Toronto, Canada.
Oh, wow, yes, hello. My name's Cassandra. I'm 27 years old, and I'm originally from Charleston, South Carolina.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Cassandra. Je suis Paris.
Hey man, the name's Cassandra. Me 27 years old. Originally from Jamaica. You have a good day.
Good day, mate. I'm out here in the lovely weather. It's 27 years old. I'm out here in lovely Sydney, Australia. What it looks like to be Sydney, Australia, but I'm having a great old time, like us Aussies like to do down under. Stay tuned for the next part of the accents. Okay, cheers.